Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on replacing the LCD cover of your Asus FX607JV laptop. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you take apart your laptop safely without causing damage. Begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. For safety, remove the battery if your model allows it. Next, carefully flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are taken out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now, locate the LCD assembly. You'll see more screws holding the LCD cover in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. As you're doing this, remember to take note of where each screw goes. This will make reassembly much easier later on. With the screws removed, gently lift the LCD cover off. If there's any resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. Once the cover is free, take a moment to clean the internal components with a microfiber cloth. This is a great time to remove dust and debris that might have accumulated. If you notice any damage to the screen or other parts, we recommend our professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess any issues you might not see at first glance. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the LCD assembly. Carefully press down to ensure it fits snugly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid cracking the new cover. Before sealing everything back up, check all connections and make sure no cables are pinched or incorrectly positioned. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This means no calls and no travel hassle for you. Once everything is in place, reattach the back panel by aligning it and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We provide clear and upfront quotes, ensuring there are no surprises. With the back panel secured, flip the laptop over, reconnect the battery if removed, and power it on. Check to ensure that the display works correctly and that everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Asus FX607JV. This process not only extends the life of your laptop but also allows you to maintain its aesthetic appeal. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.